Hey, what's going on, everybody? I'm Chris. I'm here with Kathy. We go by Ginger Marvin on Instagram and YouTube, and we have another What Sold video for you today. It's Thursday, and we're going to start following Kathy around to see what sold for us. But first, we do have a couple coffees to go over from some viewers. So we had somebody called Someone. I don't know if that's just what Buy Me a Coffee does. If somebody tries to remain anonymous, I'm not sure. But this is the second time someone has bought us a coffee, and we do thank you for that. And we also have another coffee from Maria. So guys, thank you so much for the support. If you are interested in helping support the channel by buying us a coffee, there is a link down in our description, and we do appreciate all of that amazing support. I'm going to turn it over to Kathy, and we're going to start following her to see what's sold for us today. In case you're wondering, I do have a little post-it note. So last time I had a lot more names to go through. This was only 2. I probably didn't need it this time, but what do we got?
Yes, thank you so much for those coffees. I always have my pumpkin cream cold brew, not too far away. First sale today was this men's North Face, like a sweater fleece type thing. That was actually Chris's old jacket. I bought it for him at Plato's Closet a while back, so probably paid somewhere between 30 to 40 bucks for it. He got some wear out of it, and then I sold it on eBay. Was this eBay? I think it was eBay. $33 plus shipping. I keep doing UPS sometimes now on eBay, so it's confusing me, even though I'm the one that did it. These also sold on eBay. They're just some Nike Hyperfeel shoes. I almost didn't grab these because they were, I wouldn't say rough shape. I mean, the soles were good and stuff. They were just dirty, and I don't know. I found them up in Denver at a Goodwill up there, or an Arc, I think. My average cost of goods that day was only $5.11, so pretty good deal. That's, I think, why I bought them, and I'm glad I did because they sold for $54.55 plus shipping, and then they sold through the global shipping, so someone else paid even more to get them shipped somewhere. They are actually under a pound, even though they're a men's shoe, but they're just really lightweight. So just going out in a poly mailer to the, where is it again, Kentucky place for the global shipping. And yeah.
And how are we going to pack that North Face up?
That was eBay.
Well, you said it was UPS, right?
Yeah, but 2 pounds. So probably just do a big mailer.
Poly mailer.
Do the eBay one.
Is that okay with you, Reese? You approve? Okay.
All right, and this is, next one is a viewer sale in box S. All right, this is going out to Brittany, and Brittany, thanks for writing your name with your note, because I saw that your address has like a business name attached to it. So Brittany grabbed this Old Navy shirt. I just listed it yesterday. Sent an offer to a watcher, which was Brittany, for $5 plus shipping. So yeah, thank you so much, Brittany. This was my son's. They've actually both worn it, and I got it at Old Navy on clearance, so probably didn't even pay more than $5 to begin with. So thank you so much. She said she is excited to see some pics of our new floors and also our bus transition as it happens. So, and we are her favorite reselling couple.
Awesome.
So that was very nice.
Thank you so much for the support, Brittany. Yeah, we plan on doing more on the bus as soon as the flooring, well, maybe not as soon as the flooring is done, but the bus is more of a very long-term project, kind of
a little bit here and there.
Here and there, yeah. If it gets done within a year, I'm going to be very surprised.
Yeah.
But we do appreciate everybody. I'm surprised at how popular the idea was, and the reason we got it when we did is just because it was like, get it or don't. Yeah. Like, it was the opportunity presented itself
in all of the springs, I think you said,
and like all of the state and neighboring states. I think the closest was maybe like Nevada or something, but I didn't want to have to drive a bus home. So
yeah,
but there will definitely be some updates on that in the future, and on our flooring soon.
That'll have to probably, it was not a good idea to try to start that on fall break, but
yeah,
next week we'll knock a lot more of that out. So these are just some Mojave slippers, these ones. So Mojave slippers, the ones I've sold in the past have like bottoms that you can take off, so it's more of like an indoor and outdoor, but these seem more of an outdoor because the bottoms are attached and they're like a hard sole. So comfy shoes that you can wear outside on concrete and stuff. I have $8.99 into those. They sold on Posh for $45 with discount shipping. So someone accepted the Posher VA offer. I'll ship those out probably in a regional B box. All right, then box C. These are some Heelys. I got these, I think, at either at JBF or a Goodwill. So they were either $10 or $9.99.
So the same thing.
Well, yeah, like because Goodwill price is $9.99. I feel like I got these at the JBF sale though.
I think you did too, yeah.
For $10. So, because in my spreadsheet, I put the totals with my tax and it said $10.83, which is generally the price that you paid with tax for a $9.99 item at Goodwill.
For our area,
but then I was like, wait, I think I got these at JBF. So, anyhow, $10 in, and they sold for $25 plus shipping on Facebook. Those are a 2-pounder as well. Facebook, since I can't use any of the regional or flat rate boxes, I'll probably just do a shoe box, and I don't know if that's gonna put it over the weight. I feel like Heelys are kind of heavy. Nah, that should be perfect. So, all right, and then BD. So these Baby Gap jeans, I had them listed at 18, and someone offered 15 on Posh. So very decent offer. That makes me feel like it's a viewer, because usually normal offers are like half off or more. So if you're a viewer, which you didn't say if you are, Christine, thank you. But otherwise, someone just was a very nice person and made a good offer.
Yeah.
Instead of a half off offer. So even though it's Posh, I'm just gonna use one of these to. That's our washing machine.
The laundry's done.
Yeah. All right. Sorry.
They probably didn't hear it though.
BG, Patagonia. Oh. So I've mentioned that I've been shopping on Facebook a lot this month because of the free shipping. I've gotten free shipping on every single thing I've bought this whole month. So again, not sure why. I've been seeing a lot of people that buy from us not getting free shipping. So I'm taking advantage of it though, for sure. I bought this Patagonia bunting last weekend for $30, and I listed it just yesterday on Kitizen for $79, and I have like a 5% off sale running. So the buyer paid $75.05 free shipping, but it's only about a 10-ounce item, so it only costs $5.15 to ship out. So I'm basically doubling my money, and it only took a day, and it got delivered to my house. So why is all the neighborhood dogs bark whenever we do a video?
I don't know, but they have something to say today.
Lucy doesn't even want to be part of them, huh? You don't care what they're saying. All right, so yeah, we'll just ship that out in that. So yeah, that was a really good flip, and I actually have another sale coming up in a moment that was also a Facebook flip. So I sold these G-Defy shoes. So this is a good brand to look out for, although these ones didn't sell for a ton. Mostly because I didn't realize when I bought them, they had some like cracking going on like
the detail.
Yeah, like it doesn't really affect the use and wear of them, but like they just have cracking kind of throughout. So I paid $7.99 for them. Generally, you could probably get $40 to $50, but I ended up getting $23 plus shipping. So about a $12 profit, which with the damage, I'm happy with that. That is a FedEx Smart Post, so I'll find a box in our closet. BG. These are just some boys Zara joggers that were my son's. I think I bought them off Kitizen a while back for about $20. They were new when I bought them. He wore them a ton last year, and so they have pilling, wash wear, some fading, and they still sold for $13.30 free ship on Kitizen. And so shipping was $4.15. So I'm making back like probably $8-9 on those. And I'll put them in a ghost mailer. And then I sold. This was the one I was mentioning at the end of last video, just one of those shark ride-ons. So I had it listed at 18 plus shipping. It's kind of heavy, so shipping was kind of a lot. And buyer asked if I would do 12 plus ship, which I did because I only have about $5 into it. I bought it on like clearance a couple summers ago at Safeway, just like at the end of the year. So yeah, I doubled my money, even though I bought these for our kids to use. We just couldn't because we don't have a pool that we could take this big of a thing into.
Yeah,
so.
we live in Colorado, and there's not very many
like all
pools
the pools
around.
you can pay to go to, you can't really.
Yeah, they don't really let you have
like this,
giant floaty things.
But yeah, so that's going UPS as well, which is why I did the other eBay UPS, since I'm already going to be driving there. What was I going to say about this? Oh, this buyer did not get free shipping on Facebook, so he ended up paying, I think that shipping label was like $13 or something dollars.
Wow, this is heavy.
Yeah, which is weird because it should have only been $10.80 unless I listed it. I don't know. The UPS label should only be $10.80 for the buyer, but I swear it said 13 something. So anyhow, we'll find a box to put that in. And last but not least,
Yeah, right over here.
This was my other Facebook flip. I bought these again last weekend on Facebook for $6, free shipping. And I sold them in one day. I listed them last night, and they sold for $31.80 plus shipping on eBay. So 6 and the 31 in a day. So both of the 2 items that I sold from Facebook flips were Patagonia, but I think those were the only 2 Patagonia items I found to flip. But I found several other items that
Will sell over time, yeah.
So
Patagonia is a hot brand, so it sells quick.
And they get a ghost mailer too.
And that was it for today. So we're gonna get this stuff packed up, and we'll be back with you guys.
Yep, nothing else.
All right, guys, got everything all packed up, ready to go.
Yep.
We thought we had one other sale come in, but the payment hasn't come through or anything,
Nope.
right?
And there was one last night that hasn't paid yet on eBay, which that's so rare that people don't pay. It's rare for me. I know a lot of people that's a common problem, but
Yeah, we do have payment immediately required, but anytime we send out offers or anything, that doesn't really apply to those on eBay for some weird reason.
to me, because like if you're accepting the offer, you want it, right? Like,
Right.
Or if you accept it on accident, you would just message and be like, I don't want it. But I don't know. Maybe some people are just like, oh well, I get paid in 3 days.
Yeah, maybe they don't really realize that they haven't paid either. I don't know. But that is going to do it for today's What's Old video. We're going to get this stuff off to the post office. And I don't know, we got like swimming lessons and stuff tonight. I got to get back to work on the floor. And that's going to be it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. And I hope to see you guys in the next one. Bye.